Friends, we will continue once again. See, in the last class we are discussing the problem e power x, f of z is e power x into e power minus iy. So, as usual, separating or writing in terms of u and plus u plus iv form. So, we have got this here. So, what this is real u term here and this is v term here. Now, let me check CR equation. So, what you have to do? Partial derivative. So, ux is e power x. What is cos e power x is e power x, cos y remains as such with respect to x. Similarly, uy e power x with respect to y here, cos y derivative is minus sin y. Similarly, we differentiate partially with respect to x, minus e power x is e power x sin y, as such remains constant y term. Similarly, vy is minus e power x derivative of sin y, what is it? Cos y. So, therefore, now CR equation is what? Ux is equal to vy, that is, what is ux here? E power x into cos y is equal to, what is vy? Minus e power x cos y. Are they equal here? They are not equal, isn't it? You are observing that they are not equal terms here, therefore ux is not equal to vy. Now observe the second term here, vx is equal to minus uy, that is, what is vx here? Minus e power x sin y is, whether it is equal to uy term is here, minus e power x sin y. So, here the second term they are equal, but first term they are not equal here. So, totally while giving the answer, since first term is not equal, f dash of z does not exist, right. So, derivative of this function in this case does not exist. Okay. We will observe another problem. So, another problem I will take, this is a very standard term. You know that f of z is equal to, I will take z cube. What is z cube? You know that you have to express here, okay. You have to express u plus iv form. Z cube is what? Z is what? X plus iy whole cube, isn't it? That is equal to a cube plus, you expand that, a cube plus b cube plus 3a square b plus 3ab square, yes, that is equal to here. Simplify further, it is x cube. What is I cube? You know that I square is minus 1, therefore I cube is I square into I square is what? Minus 1, it becomes minus I. It is y cube plus I term is there, I am writing here 3x square y. Again here I square term is there, I square is how much? Minus 1, minus 3xy square. Still writing in the neat form here, u plus iv, it is real term is x cube, one more term is there, see here one more term, minus 3xy square, collect and write. Again plus I term, here it is, right. I is common in this particular term here, I term, imaginary term, you may write positive first, that positive term first, 3x square y minus y cube, right, minus y cube. So, this is what f of z in this case. Now, here what is u? U is x cube minus 3xy square, and what is v? V is equal to 3x square y minus y cube. We have taken that. Now, you have to verify CR equation now. That is, here partially differentiate ux, usual idea. With respect to x here, so 3x square minus, with respect to x, derivative is 1, what this term remains constant as like that. So, treating it as constant, so 3y square. Similarly, uy is equal to partial derivative with respect to y, here there is no term of y, 0 minus it is 3, x remains constant, this treating it as constant, y square derivative is what? 2y. What is this? Becomes minus 6xy, that is with respect to x and y you got. Now with respect to y here, v with respect to x here, what is it becomes here? Again partial derivative with respect to x, so it becomes x square is 2x, so it becomes directly 6xy, and this term is equal to 0, there is no term of x there. Similarly, vy is equal to here with respect to y, so derivative of y is 1 here, 1 into 3x square minus y cube derivative is what? 3y square here. Now compare now. So now by CR equations, here it is ux is equal to vy, observe, that is what is ux you got? That is 3x square minus 3y square, this is here ux is equal to y is equal to this what? 3x square minus 3y square. So the first term of CR equation holds good, here it is, left hand side is equal to right hand side there, and another part ux vx is equal to minus uy, observe once again, are they equal? What is vx? You have got that it is 6xy. What is uy? Uy is minus 6xy, therefore it becomes what? Minus of minus plus 6xy. Therefore, in both the terms of CR equation satisfied, we will say that f dash of z exists. Therefore, or you may write that this way also, ux is equal to vy and vx is equal to minus uy. Therefore, CR equations satisfied, right? Satisfied. So therefore, f dash of z exists. You may write the result in that manner, and you write like this here. Okay. Now, if you want to find f dash of z, as I have given you formula in the last class, what is it? Yes, ux plus ivx, isn't it? That is equal to what? What is ux you got here? It is 3x square minus 3y square plus I times. What is vx you got? It is here. Vx is nothing but 6xy. Let me simplify this here. It becomes what? 3x square, and this minus term I will express in terms of I. What is minus here? I square is equal to minus 1, isn't it? Minus 1 here. So therefore, I will replace this minus 1 by I square. It is nothing but, for simplification sake, it is y square plus I into 6xy. You observe that here 3 is common, you may take outside, it becomes what? A square plus 2ab, 6, you have taken 3 outside, it becomes what? 2ab, that here ab, this I is there, I term is there here, 2, only 3 is taken outside, then plus here once again iy square, see 1 3 you have taken outside, what is it becomes? Can I write like this? Yes, true, isn't it? Whole square, it becomes here. Now read it properly, observe it properly, what becomes, how we can write here? A square plus b square plus 2ab, therefore what is it? Nothing but x plus iy whole square, isn't it? Or what is this becomes here? 3 into z square. Indeed, you have got the derivative of the function. What is your given the function? F of z is equal to z cube. Therefore, by your knowledge, what is the derivative of z cube? It is nothing but 3z square. Therefore, you have got by using the CR equation also 3z square. Alright. So, this is what the beauty of the topic, that is Cauchy-Riemann equation. So, these are the different varieties of problem in Cauchy-Riemann equation. Thank you.